I am at the park. You ain't gonna believe it. I've been hitting balls all day like I'm Babe Ruth.
Excuse me, you were supposed to come to Charming Charlie's with me today?
What? Me shopping?
Yes,
Girl, the only thing I shop for is home runs and bases stolen. That's all I shop for.
It was our 3-hour anniversary.
What? A 3-hour what? The World Series is played in 3 hours. That's the only thing I know about 3 hours. I know I'm gonna hit this ball out the park so far. Woo-wee, Mars gonna wish it wasn't there.
I'm gonna hit your head out so far, you're gonna be bleeding.
No, only way I would bleed if you sit in the nosebleeds and you root for me while I'm on the baseball field. Because I'm gonna hit a grand slam, and then I'm gonna hit a Dungeon Dragon, and I'm gonna go crazy on the other team.
Ew,
I promise you.
blood on my new pink shirt.
On your pink shirt? I'm gonna dust my cleats off on your pink shirt. Because it ain't nothing like baseball. Baseball is the greatest sport ever made, ever thought of, ever designed.
Shopping can be a sport. I got a racket.
Shopping is a sport? Oh,
yeah.
Lord. Shopping ain't no sport.
It takes a lot of
I'm gonna tell you what's a sport.
All the way around
the sport is when you get that ball, it's coming at you at 99 miles an hour, and then you swing that bat and pop, that ball is out of here. That ball's going all the way downtown, around town, across town, and the next town. I promise you, ain't nothing like baseball. Boy,
I got a racket.
Some baseball. I can have baseball with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's all I